Hi, my name is Antonio Martin, and I'm the owner and managing member of the Martin Law Group. Today we're going to talk a little bit about some topics in family law. I remember as a child growing up, some of the most important and impactful people in my life were my grandma Martin and my grandpa Davis. And I would go to their homes and they would tell me about how life was when they were growing up, and they would give me perspective. I remember spending time with my aunts and uncles, and we would play wrestle with my uncles, and I would play volleyball with my aunts. And it was a really amazing thing to have those relationships growing up, because sometimes my aunts and uncles would give me perspectives that my parents wouldn't give me. And it's interesting because even though I had those vital relationships in my life with my extended family, from the legal perspective, the only people who actually had rights to make decisions about what I would do on a regular basis were my parents. Now, we often at the Martin Law Group, we get phone calls from grandparents and from aunts and uncles looking to find out if there are different ways that they can potentially have rights or say so for what it is that their family member or their children are doing. Now, if the parents are in the children's lives, and they're active in the children's life, and they have parental rights, then typically the answer is no. But if there was a situation where consent from a parent would be allowed by a particular parent for a grandparent, for an aunt, or for an uncle, then there are multiple different ways that we may be able to do certain things, either with something like a power of attorney, or for instance, where a father or a mother may not be in a child's life and you can do a potential step-parent adoption. There are a lot of different ways that individuals who would otherwise not be considered the primary biological parents to potentially have rights with children, so that they have more say-so in the child's life. If you have any questions about step-parent rights or rights as a grandparent or an aunt or an uncle, feel free to give the Martin Law Group a call at 863-949-0892, or you can reach out to us if you just have a couple of questions. You can go to callmartinlawgroup.com, where we have a Q&A page that can hopefully answer some of your questions. Or if you're looking for a consultation, please go to Facebook or to LinkedIn, hit the consultation button so that you can schedule a meeting with us. Thank you so much for listening. This is Antonio Martin, the Martin Law Group, where we help reasonable people redefine family.